So, namaste everyone, and today I'll show you how you can access the teaching tool which I have sent you. Now, basically, what you have to do is you have to paste the link which I have given to you in WhatsApp or Aratai. So, after pasting the link, yeah, so this is the product page, and if you see here, it is a BMS syllabus assistant. I'll show you what you can do. So it is priced at 98 per year. Now we have three options. For each of these, the pricing is 98. Means for one subscription, you can't get all the three syllabus. Okay, I need second BMS syllabus, suppose. So you just click on the link. So as soon as you click the link, so it'll go here. Provided you have paid for the subscription. So this is how the interface will be. So after going here, what you can do is you can ask a question, maybe like I want to ask how to teach Sneha Kalpana in RSUK syllabus. Yes. So this is my question because I need to know for how many marks or what are the contents, what are the points I should cover. So all these things I should know. Will take some time. Yeah. So now it is there. See here. Now it is giving it is in topic 7, Kalpana Nirmana 2. Okay. And it is 5 lecture hours and 4 non-lecture hours are there, and objectives. These are the things which I should include: aims, essential ingredients, okay, specific rules, so many things are there. And how to teach, teaching methods, lecture with video clips, it is given, LVC. And many times in the syllabus this will not be just in the short form they would have given. Okay. And tutorial, okay, theory, essay writing, practical viva, okay, and activities to be demonstrated, what should be done. So that's also given here. And yeah, so learning objectives. So like this you will get for each syllabus point how you can teach. See, it is in knows how, okay, level. So this will be useful in such a method. Now you can take this to next level. Now here you have the access, but this is still running in Chrome. Now what you do, you just go to Play Store. Okay. So in Play Store, you just sorry. So you just type Notebook LM. Okay. So here I have already installed it. Just open it. When you open, no, yeah. So here it is. Second phase BMS syllabus. So if you go here within the app itself, you can use everything. No need to go to web browser. Here everything is there. Okay. So this is how it will work, and it will save you a lot of time. And 100 rupees is not a big amount, I guess. So yeah, this is it. And if you have any problems or queries, you can always contact me. Thank you.